Today's lesson is Chapter 6, Lesson 12, on pages 449 through 452. Our objective is I can use base 10 blocks to divide decimals by decimals. Question 1. In the video, 2 and 4 tenths equals blank tenths. Question 2. 2 and 4 tenths divided by 3 equals blank. Okay, let's watch this video on dividing decimals.
Divide decimals using models. Models are helpful when dividing decimals by decimals. Find 2 and 4 tenths divided by 8 tenths. We will use models to divide the decimals. First, model 2 and 4 tenths using 2 wholes and 4 tenths. The 2 blocks represent the wholes and the 4 bars represent the tenths. Since we are dividing by tenths, replace both of the ones blocks with tenths. We now have 24 bars, or 24 tenths. Next, separate the tenths into groups of 8 tenths to show dividing by 8 tenths. Think, 24 divided by 8 equals what? There are 3 groups of 8 tenths in 2 and 4 tenths. So, 2 and 4 tenths divided by 8 tenths equals 3.
Okay, so here's an example on page 450, and the question is 3 tenths divided by 6 hundredths. So really what it's asking for is how many groups of 6 hundredths are in 3 tenths. So we're looking at 3 tenths, and then we're trying to figure out how many groups of 6 hundredths are in there, and that will give us our quotient. So let's separate these into groups of 6 tenths, the 3 tenths, 6 hundredths. Okay, so we have the 3 tenths here, and we took out 6 hundredths and grouped them so that each group had 6 hundredths in it. So when we did that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So that means 3 tenths divided by 6 hundredths is 5 because there's none left over. So 5 is our quotient. All right, let's look back at these 2 questions and answer them in the form, please.